How to install Goon Threadless forks with SCS compression. You need is 5mm, 6mm, some grease, get a headset using a flavour SCS clamp, Goon forks with a Goon headset, and an addict deck. Bit of grease in there first, so the bearings go straight in. Put the bearing race on the bottom of the forks. Go straight on. Bottom bearing on the forks. Slide the forks into the deck. Just hitting it lightly to make sure the bearing's seated properly. Set the top bearing. The top bearing race. Top bearing cap. Place the clamp over the forks. Put the washer in, the cap. Put the screw in. Screw pulls it all together. Once you've found the hole, do the screw up. Doing the screw up nice and tight, so there's no forward or back movement. It still allows it to spin freely. And once that's done, just tighten the side bolts and the clamp holding the forks in. And you're ready to put the bars in.